Let me show you how to get rid of these fragile, outdated blinds. These cheap ones break so easily and they're an eyesore. And today I'm replacing them with these Eclipse Cordless Blackout Cellular Shades. These run about $81 each, though the price varies depending on your window's dimensions. The best part, this is a very DIY do-it-yourself friendly project, something anyone can do. So let's jump right in. For tools, you'll need a drill, potentially some drill bits, a screwdriver, and optionally a level. But I recommend this if you don't have existing window blinds with holes already made on the door or walls. First step, check if you can reuse your old brackets. In my case, the new shades were slightly larger, so the old hardware had to go. Luckily, that just involves removing a couple screws per each bracket and removing both brackets, as you see me doing here. Once those are out, we'll install the new brackets. Note the orientation of these. The upward facing part stays on top, while the smaller profile faces downward. Line the brackets up with your existing holes. If you're drilling new ones, mark your spots with a pencil or a pen, and then use your level to ensure everything is perfectly straight when marking the other brackets holes on the other side. Be sure that the distance between brackets is significantly less than the width of the blinds themselves. And here's another tip for you. When driving the new screws through the brackets, don't tighten the first one all the way. Leave a little play on both screws so you can align the bracket perfectly before securing both screws firmly. With the brackets installed, it's time for the shades. The technique is specific. Grab the blinds and angle the back end in between the bracket first, with the blind tilted slightly towards you. Once the back is seated in between the bracket, push upward and towards the door. Listen for those two clicks. That's your signal that the bottom is secure. You might need to use a little force here to ensure that the bracket's top V groove is fully tucked under the blind's cover. Give it a gentle tug downward to make sure that the bracket moves with the shade. That means it's secured in place properly. Now for the test. Grab the center and gently pull down the blinds. These look fantastic, by the way, and span the full length of the window perfectly. One thing to note though, cellular shades can still feel a bit delicate. If you have young kids or pets, you might want something more durable like faux wood. I also have a video on how to install them and also my review of them in the above video. The final touch is the handle. Just level it up with the bottom rail and clip it in place until it clicks. And that's it, folks. These glide like a breeze and do an incredible job blocking light. For only $80, the value on these 24 by 64 inch shades is hard to beat. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like and share it with others. And consider subscribing and browse my channel for more home do-it-yourself maintenance, repairs, and renovation projects so you can save a ton of money from pricey contractors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.